So tonight meeting will be about internet and daily habits. But before we jump into the topics, as usual, I will always remind you. Yeah, sure. Go ahead, Kak Dinda. So before we jump into the topics, I always remind you that this is a safe space for you to speak. So please don't be hesitant to make a mistake, or if you don't know the right word, you can ask me or the other participant could help, and also kindly check the Google Translate if you want, yeah, guys. Okay, ready? Here it is, our first discussion. We cannot talk about internet and daily habits without talking about the device, yeah, guys. So, which team are you? iPhone or Android? Anyone want to start first? Kak Maha, do you want to answer first?
You can start first, Kak.
Okay, then. So for me, I'm the Android team. The reason is simply just because I cannot afford the iPhone, yeah, guys. I can afford, but maybe the old version, like right now, is already out for the iPhone 17, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, guys. But so yeah, it's too expensive for me because I'm still a student and that doesn't have an income yet. So yeah, I'm Android user. And also besides that, I heard from my friend who use iPhone that the battery of iPhone is more like it's way too what is it? Let me check the Google Translate first, yeah, guys. Wait. Mm-hmm. Wasteful. Yeah, I mean it's way more wasteful than Android, and also the phone screen is a bit smaller than Android. So yeah, that's my reason. Besides the price, that's why I choose Android. How about you guys? Anyone want to start? Hello, Kak Adeline. Good evening, Kak.
Hello.
Okay, so anyone want to start first? I mean, anyone want to answer first? Kak Kak Johanna then, because you are the first one to join. I know that you are an iPhone user, ya, Kak. Please elaborate why the reason you are using iPhone.
I'm the Android user previously, but currently I'm using iPhone as daily for the communication. I think for the difference is iPhone is simpler than Android for the UX. I mean for the display, the overall display from the phone, and then maybe the minus is expensive for the phone itself, and then maybe we should I mean like subscribe for the iCloud or for the Apple Music, like we when we talk about music last session. So yeah, it's there is a plus minus for the using this two type of phone, but I still prefer for the iPhone.
Okay, so you are prefer for the iPhone, ya, Kak. So what if we don't pay for the subscription? So we cannot use the feature of iCloud and the Apple Music, Kak.
Yeah. So you should subscribe at least for the basic plans,
Oh, wow.
because there are a few of plan for iCloud, like maybe which how many storage do you need to your phone, and then for the Apple Music it depends on maybe like a Spotify, if you want to a single subscribe, or maybe with your family. So maybe you invite your friends or maybe your family to join with the Apple Music in one subscribe only.
Oh, like a family plan ya, Kak?
Yeah, it's quite same with the Spotify too.
Oh, okay, great, great. Okay, thank you so much for the insight of iPhone user. Okay, let's continue to Kak Dinda. What about you, Kak Dinda? Are you Android user or iPhone user? Oh, I think Kak Dinda still in the bathroom. Okay, let's continue first to Kak Mahar then.
Same like you, Kak. I'm still Android actually, karena because firstly the battery it's solid, yeah, and really I don't pay attention to the spec if I want some good, like, Android is good, and also I'm not Daniel kalau I'm not Daniel if iPhone is also good. If but Android sometimes have a good battery, but the camera is not really good. But is that I mean is that for a cheap Android? But if you want a solid battery and then the camera is good, it's a bit expensive, yeah. For me as user Android, I feel my Android is a bit moody, yeah, because the performance uh, is like I don't know why my phone like good if they want good. It's not like all good.
Oh,
So
sometimes it's good, but sometimes it turns
yeah,
out like,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Especially the camera.
hmm.
I will say that when I really need the good picture, but the camera is not support me. But
Oh,
when I'm not I'm not need that picture, the camera is good. But overall for function, it's totally fine. And like I said before, if someone give me iPhone, I don't deny it. Yeah, it just depends what we need lah ya kak.
yeah.
Thank you.
So realistic are you, Kamar? Okay, so I'm also agree with the point that you mentioned that the iPhone's camera is really good. So I have a funny story for that thing. So as you guys know, I'm Android user, and I always post my picture on Instagram. But recently I borrow the iPhone from my friends. He just recently purchased the newest one, like Android. I mean iPhone 16, if I'm not mistaken, and the picture turns out really clear, and like everyone are commenting, oh, what are you change, do you change your phone, do you buy a new phone, like that, because the picture is really really clear. Yeah, I'm really agree with that point, Kak Mahar. What about you, Kak Adeline? Do you also use iPhone, right?
Yes, based on my experience using both of that handphone, I prefer to use iPhone instead because I think from my user experience, I do enjoy use iPhone compared to Android. Also for the camera specification, I like iPhone more than Android, and the design itself, I more like for the iPhone one. Um, Besides of that, I feel that iPhone have a better quality for a long terms because when I am using Android, it's easy to get lagging after 1 or 2 years after I use that. Maybe I just choose the wrong model or what, I don't know. But now I've been using iPhone for 4 years, and it's still working same as before. But when we are talking about the battery usage, I think Android have a better battery health because iPhone is kind of bad for the battery health.
Okay, great. So I have a question for you, Kak Adeline, because you choose iPhone over Android. So and you also agree for the aspect of the battery usage. So you are willing to use an iPhone that is the battery itself is more wasteful than Android. And what I mean, how do you handle with that? How do you what is it how do you, yeah, I mean on your daily life, how do you use your iPhone if your iPhone is like losing the battery in such.
I think I will choose iPhone instead because it have a more. I already use it for 4 years and I already enjoy to use iPhone instead of Android. Usually I use the iPhone if we want to have a long battery health. I think it can be charged over than 100%. It's only 90% only. It will be better for iPhone, I think. And if we want a more better battery usage, we can choose the Pro type only for the iPhone Pro type because for my usage now, I only use the standard one, not the Pro model,
Oh,
because I know that the Pro have more than standard one for the battery.
okay, so it's kind of like a hack ya kak, to charge the iPhone
Yes,
only till
yes,
90%.
yes,
Oh, but it works, is it
yes.
works?
It works. It
Oh.
works for me because I already use for my office handphone. It is iPhone 2, but I already applied that and it works for me.
Oh wow, new insight for me. Do you do it too, Kak Johanna? To charge your phone until 90% only?
Sorry, Kak, what?
Do you did the same thing as Kak Adeline to charge your iPhone until 90% only, not fully charged?
No, I usually charge until 100%.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Kak Johanna and Kak Adeline,
I
for the
know,
new
I know.
insight.
Mm, Not I ever heard the tips about that.
But you never tried, Kak Johanna.
No, no, before.
Maybe you should try because you
But
already heard it from Kak Adeline, Kak.
even the Android, I usually charge until 100% too.
Oh, okay, okay, got it. Okay,
Uh,
thank you.
for the for the Android, it doesn't work, but on iPhone, I think it works.
Oh, I want to try, but unfortunately, I don't have iPhone. Maybe if I purchase it in the future. Okay, thank you ya Kak Yohana for the insight and also Kak Adeline. Let's continue to Kak Dinda then. Do you finish from the bathroom, Kak Dinda? Hello, hello, Kak Dinda. I think she not finished yet, so let's move to the other slide, yeah, guys. So here it is. we already discussed about the device, so here we are gonna talk about the social media. Which one are you guys? Do you use Instagram versus TikTok? I mean, you absolutely, maybe some of you have the all this the accounts, but which one that you choose more? Which one do you prefer? Who's gonna start first? Amaha, do you want to start first?
Okay.
Okay,
So,
let's hear from you.
okay, thank you, Kak. So, I'm a TikTok person because I really use Instagram, and my Instagram account is like God's account at this point because I'm not the person who use Instagram for like the most that I use. No, I use more TikTok than Instagram, and I just more active on TikTok. TikTok is just like scrolling, not the intense way, because I see it as a way to relax. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamaha. Wow, gosh account. So, but don't you feel like the I don't know, yeah, guys, but this is my opinion. The what is it? The TikTok environment is more like let me translate it first. What is it? Like fit fight, the Google translates said, I don't know what's the correct word, but there is the environment of TikTok is more like, oh, I've gone to more bad from you. Oh, my life is more worse than you. You're more lucky than me. Do you got it right? Come on. Fit fight, fit debating. Then you feel it, Kak Mahar. What's your opinion about that?
I actually don't care lah about it. I just scrolling. I'm not really care about their content, but I just see the when the content is really good for me. The comment on the video is going to make headache for me. I will swipe on.
Okay, so you are just scrolling but not really paying attention for to the comment, ya, Kak. Because for me it's really interesting to read the comments of everyone. So yeah, but it makes me headaches also, same like you. If I'm on TikTok and I'll just what they are debating. Okay, thank you so much for the insight, Kak Mahar. Okay, so let's continue to Kak Dinda then. Kak Dinda, because you just joined, you can answer the two questions, ya, Kak. The first one is iPhone versus Android, and this is the second one, Instagram versus TikTok.
Sorry, Kak Yohana, your make noise. Oh, it Kak Nur.
Okay, so I need to answer the second question, yeah, Kak.
The both of the question. The first one is iPhone versus Android. This is the slide, and yeah, and also the second one is Instagram versus TikTok.
Okay, for the first question, like iPhone and Android, I'm Android user now, but I'm curious to use iPhone because the UI experience it's really cool because like simple, minimalist, and really authentic in my opinion. And then I also want to try the camera because I think it's really good, the result from the iPhone. And then for the second question, Instagram or TikTok, I choose TikTok. But the bad effect, I feel like addictive right now. I need to try to stop TikTok. And then also I love TikTok because like the algorithm is really various. It is can really funny and then really useful. And I don't really use my Instagram just like Kak Mahan. My Instagram account like ghost account until my friend asked me why you never reply my DM.
Okay.
Or
Okay. Oh, really? You are such a that rare. Open your Instagram, Kak Dinda, because I spend my daily life on Instagram and opposite of you and Kak Mahar, my TikTok account is like a ghost account because I never open it unless I need to I need what is it, the book recommendation, because yeah, I like to watch it from TikTok for the book recommendation. Thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Adeline then.
Okay, I think for me, I will choose Instagram instead because on Instagram has a more specific algorithm. In my opinion, most on Instagram we can search for someone more easier than rather than TikTok. I do enjoy scrolling Instagram compared to TikTok because sometimes Instagram ads helps me in terms search for something because it's really related and fast for the algorithm compared to TikTok. Um, I think on TikTok, it's hard for me to find people because the username is random sometimes. But on Instagram, I think it's likely to use a real name for some people. But when I need look for a funny content, I will open TikTok instead because the comment section on TikTok it's really funny, especially if they are using meme photo. It's really make my mood for the day.
Thank you, Kak Adeline. Actually, I really agree with you. Yeah. I'm curious about your Instagram username, Kak Adeline. What? Because you said that you only have one word name, which is Adeline. And what is the Agath, AGATH on your Instagram username? If you don't mind to share, Kak.
It, it's my baptism name for my religion.
Oh, okay. So it's how to pronounce it, Kak
Agatha is
Adeline?
my baptism name.
Agath. Is that correct?
Agatha Adeline is
Agatha.
Agatha
Also
Adeline is
Agatha.
my baptism name. Yes,
Oh, okay.
yes.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Agatha.
Okay.
AGTHA for Agatha.
Oh, okay.
Because
Okay.
for if I use it, it can, but if I add some number, it's kind of alay. So I add the Agatha instead.
Oh, okay. So what's the meaning behind it, Kak? Because you know, guys, there's an author named Agatha Christie, right? So yeah, I'm curious about it, Kak Adeline. What's the meaning behind it? Behind Agatha?
I think it have a meaning from my religion, but I don't really know it because it's given from my parents. Actually,
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't really know that.
Okay then. Okay, okay. Thank you, Kak Adeline. And then the last, let's hear from Kak Yahana. What about you, Kak? I guess you gonna be the team up with Kak Adeline and me. You are an Instagram person. I hope so.
Yeah, I think Kak Dina is read my mind. So for daily use, I'm using Instagram because yeah, my personal profile is quite active in there instead of TikTok. Maybe TikTok is only scrolling for my FYP because there are lots of food or maybe place recommendation, maybe like art gallery, exhibition, or maybe place outside Jakarta, something holiday recommendation, etc. And then for the Instagram, maybe it's kind like gado-gado. I mean, like uh, in my feed, in my Instagram feed is too many recommendation. I mean, outside the food, there are another recommendation on Instagram, but for the TikTok, it's specific only food and place recommendation on my FYP.
Oh, okay, kinda like a gado-gado you said. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you then, Kak Johanna. Okay, yeah. So let's move to this. Here it is. I know it might be hard for you, but I want you to name 5 apps that you use more often in your daily life. And if you had to choose just one between those 5 apps, what you gonna choose? Okay, ready guys? Who's gonna start first? I know it's hard guys. Kak Dinda dan Kak Dinda.
Okay, so maybe the application that I most use in daily life, the first one Twitter, and the second one TikTok, and the third WhatsApp, and the fourth Wattpad, and the last Pinterest. And if you ask me to delete all of these apps, and I will keep WhatsApp, I think, because WhatsApp like the tools the that I use for communication, for my family, for my friends, for my relatives. So I think it's very important for me. And then also in that many stickers, so it's kinda hard to delete my WhatsApp.
Yeah, the sticker is really happening right now in WhatsApp, yeah, guys. I also like to create my own version of the sticker using my own face. It's hilarious, but I like to do it. Why not? Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. But by the way, I know that you are a reader, right? Don't you use apps like Wattpad or Fizo or something like that? Gramedia Digital, maybe? Because you don't mention it on those 5 lists.
Oh, I use Wattpad only sih kak, because like it's free and I don't need like subscribe.
Oh, so you are
Wattpad
willing
only.
to delete that apps, Kak?
Yeah, because I can read from website.
Oh yeah, yeah, correct then, correct. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Let's hear from Kak Johanna. Really curious, what's a remote working person use in your daily life, Kak?
Uh, Maybe I will choose if I should choose one app only. I think I agree with Kadinda. I will choose WhatsApp because it's the daily communication for the family, for the friends, and then for the work, especially is using WhatsApp, and then for the communication with the client, I use WhatsApp. So I think it's quite important. Uh, Even I really want to delete this app, but I think it's But I think it cannot ya, because uh, what is it? Mau nggak mau,
Yeah.
we don't use the WhatsApp, or maybe the Telegram for the another preference to communication. But I think for the Telegram, it's quite rare for the communication. We often use WhatsApp for daily uses.
Okay, but I'm sorry, Kak Johanna, because you haven't answered the first question. What is the 5 application that you use?
Five application, maybe for video meeting like this, Google Meet or Zoom, and then WhatsApp, and then uh, ChatGPT maybe for the
Oh,
productivity.
right. ChatGPT. Why don't you mention Karina? Okay. Go on, Kak Johanna. Sorry for interrupting.
Sorry Kak.
Yeah, you can continue, Kak. I'm sorry for interrupting.
Oh, okay. I think you asked me something about why I choose ChatGPT.
No. What's the
Okay.
other two, Kak?
Maybe for the another one, maybe for the another one, Gmail or
Gmail.
Google search. Yeah.
And then the last one, you just
Already,
mentioned
already
4.
five. Oh, still four ya.
Yeah, the last one,
Maybe YouTube.
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 So you don't need Instagram or
Mm.
TikTok, Kak?
Oh yeah. I
Yeah,
forgot.
I know it's really hard to decide, ya, Kak. Okay. Okay, then thank you, Kak Johanna. Then let's hear from Kak Adeline.
Okay. For the apps I most often use for the daily use is Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, X, and Discord.
Oh, wow,
And
Discord.
if I will choose, yes,
Yeah.
and if I will choose the one only, I will choose Instagram because with Instagram we can do a chat as well, like WhatsApp, and now have more feature like a video call and call too, so it would be more useful. Besides of that, it can be a source of for money for influencer and affiliate as well. Also, we still can search for some useful content. So I think Instagram have a bunch of benefits, and it's already all in one that we can chatting, scrolling content, and can be a source of money. I think for daily chatting, it's useful too for Instagram that they have some new feature now, like call and fit call too.
Yeah, I really agree with you, Kak. Finally, there's someone who can same as me. I'm also want to choose Instagram over WhatsApp, but in a realistic way because my family don't not all of my family that have an Instagram account, so I have to consider to keep the WhatsApp. So my question for you, Kak Adeline, is all your family member, including your parents, using Instagram as well?
Yes, because my family using Instagram as well for their own members, so I choose the Instagram instead.
Oh wow, good for you
For the
then.
daily chatting, we can do on Instagram, and we can create a group chat as well. So I think I will choose the Instagram more.
Oh wow, really cool though for having a family group on Instagram.
For sharing content.
Yeah, I never heard it from someone
Very
else.
useful.
Okay. Thank you so much for the insight, Kak. It's my first time having heard from this kind of like a family having a group on Instagram. It's more usual on WhatsApp. Okay, so for the last one, Kak Mahar, let's hear about you. I think you're gonna keep the TikTok because you are really like to scroll.
Yeah, right. Firstly, TikTok, and the second WhatsApp, and then Google Chrome, YouTube, and G Drive. For the elimination, if I had to delete, I will keep one app is Google Chrome
Oh,
because
Google Chrome?
uh,
Oh
yeah,
yeah, go on, Kak.
uh, because I think with Google Chrome we still can open the WhatsApp with web, and then TikTok with TikTok web and the Google Chrome, and then yeah, but for WhatsApp web is with PC, and also for TikTok web is PC, but for an handphone, I also still choose Google Chrome because we can add many tabs on Google Chrome.
Kak Mahar, I'm sorry, but you cannot do that, Kak. It's cheating. It's not fair. How can you choose Google Chrome? Kak,
Yeah,
please.
really, Kak. I can use Google Chrome.
Okay, then I think I'm gonna team up with Kak Mahar. Then I will choose Google Chrome over Instagram and the others. What a smart person you are, Kak Mahar. I really didn't think of that. Thank you so much for the hilarious answer, Kak Mahar. A new insight. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Okay, here it is. I think yeah, I'm guessing. I'm sorry. but all of you gonna answer yes. You're is using handphone immediately after you wake up the first thing in the morning. Let's start from Kamar then. Kamar, please don't be cheating again in this one.
Wait, I still read.
Oh, you still read. You need more time. We can go to another person if you want.
Yes, Kak.
Okay. Let's hear from Kak Johanna then. I think as a remote worker, you must be checking your phone first in the morning, ya Kak.
For the notif from group.
Yeah, for work. Do you have more to say, Kak Johanna? What you usually do in the first thing in the morning on the phone? I mean,
Oh, I think I check for the notification. I mean, from the WhatsApp or outside the WhatsApp. I mean, like I'm checking if the day I think I should attend a meeting, online meeting or not. Checking the calendar, and then yeah, notification from group, especially for the work group. I think that's all. If the morning routines.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's right that you are, what is it? Like immediately open your phone after you waking up, or you wake up first, then go shower maybe, or take a walk or something first, then you open your phone, or it's immediately after waking up, Kak?
I think for the daily, I just checking a quick checking. But for the reply or something, I don't do it immediately. I finish the routine first, the morning routine first, like eating, take a shower, and then set up for the laptop, and then uh, do a reply for them.
Oh, okay. So it's a new insight from a remote worker, guys. Oh, thank you so much, Kak Johanna. Okay, so let's continue to Kak Dinda then.
Okay, I really agree about this statement. If I checking my phone, it will mess my brain dopamine. So at first maybe I only want to see the clock to see the clock what time is it. But after that I will continue to scrolling all of my media social, and that's why it will like mess my day and make me not productive. Like I don't want to wake up from my bed and then I don't know what I want to do, and then after that I will scrolling again and again, like toxic cycle. I think so. I will try to reduce that habit, I think.
Okay. So what is it the first app that you open in the morning, Kak Dinda?
The first one is the clock, and then after that I will check the
A
WhatsApp,
clock,
and after that
it's
Twitter.
of course we all of us is using the clock to for the, what is it, the alarm.
Yeah, the clock is only the reason.
Yeah, yeah, and then your social media after that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, my guess is correct then that everyone is checking their phone immediately after waking up. Okay, let's continue to Kak Mahar then. Why time flies so fast, guys? The time remaining is only 15 minutes. Okay, Kak Mahar, are you ready? Kak Mahar?
Yeah. Yes. I also checking my phone after I wake up, like Kak Adinda. I just open for time and then the battery, because I want to see the last time my battery, and eh I really try hard to not open anything like WhatsApp or whatever, because I don't want to end up with scrolling my TikTok, because if I holding my phone too long, I will open all of the apps in my phone. So that's why I really try just checking time and then leave my phone, and then I go to my routine.
Yeah, I think it's a bad habit for all of us, yeah, guys, to scroll the social media, then just need a reason for just laying in bed all day long. Okay, let's hear from you, Kak Adeline. Do you did the same thing as us, Kak Adeline? Because you said
Yes,
that you are
I
a
think
runner. Do you run in the morning or in the
yes.
evening, Kak Adeline?
I do a running only on the weekends, see, or
Oh,
after work hours.
okay, okay.
I think in the morning on weekdays, I rarely scrolling because I should leave home around at 6 a.m. So yeah, I just check the notification from my workers groups if there is something important. But on the weekends, oftenly I checking my phone and scrolling. When I do this, I feel like I am more lazy than before I would keep bed rotting for the whole day. So I set a timer for scrolling to prevent this around 30 minutes only. And sometimes when I found content that could trigger something, it will affect or even it's ruin my mood or even makes me overthinking for a whole day. That's why I rarely do scrolling social even though I have a me time in the morning. Recently, I choose to exercise or another activity that not using gadget at all.
Oh yeah, correct. I'm agree on that point, Kak. Because if the social media affects our mood, it just make our mood like a so bad and not a productive in that day, ya, Kak. I feel you.
Yeah. If I found some content that's triggering, sometimes it
Yeah, yeah,
really
yeah.
affect my mood for a whole day.
But
So
but
I
do you?
really scrolling.
But are you serious? You are make a timer for the scrolling time, Kak?
Yes, for on the iPhone, it can be set for a timer for the specific apps.
Oh,
So
really?
I set
Wow.
a timer for Instagram, like Instagram, TikTok. I set for the timer for the usage of the apps.
Oh, that's cool though. The Android doesn't have that feature, right? Kak Dinda and Kak Mahar.
Yes, previously I used Android. There's not a timer for the specific apps. Okay.
Oh wow. Wow, wow. Cool, cool then. Okay, thank you so much, Kak Adeline.
Thank you.
Okay, let's move to this, ya guys. Here it is. Do you prefer to live online or offline for the ordering food? Do you prefer to ordering by delivery apps or you eat in the restaurant or learning a new skill? I mean, you have to answer all those three, yeah, guys. Learning new skill, you prefer to learn from the online or meet the physical classroom, or the last one, meeting friends. Do you prefer having a video call or you are meeting in outside, like in the cafe or restaurant or somewhere else? Okay, let's hear first from Kak Dinda then. Kak Dinda.
Okay, maybe for ordering food, can you hear my voice?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Clear.
Hello, hello.
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
Alright, so for ordering food, I will choose offline Zika because I think it's more affordable. And in my Shopee or my Gojek, it never give discount, so it's really expensive if I use online. And then for learning a new skill, I prefer to choose offline actually, but because sometimes the limited time or money, maybe I can choose online too. And for meeting friends, of course, I will choose offline see because I love to see the face expression face to face, and then we laugh together.
Oh, wow, great. So you prefer offline of all of those three, ya, Kak?
Yep, yep.
Okay, thank you so much, Kak Dinda. Then what about you, Kak Adeline?
Um, for me, I prefer ordering food online because sometimes it's more cheaper than I buy it on site because I don't know, opposite to Dinda, I have a lot of discount voucher on my Shopee, Gojek, or GrabFood, and it's really cheap compared to the actual price. But beside of that, I considering the distance of Resto too. If it's near with my place, I will choose to buy it on site because sometimes the fee of delivery it is kind of higher than the food price. So I choose to buy it on site. It's too far from my home. I need to answer the others question.
Yes, the learning new skill and the meeting friends, Kak.
For the learning a new skill, I prefer to do offline because same as I have said before that I easy to get distracted, so it would be more efficient if I learn on site. Also for meeting friends, I prefer doing it offline if I have to hang out with my close friends, but when it comes to hang out with friends that I am not that close, I would prefer to chat or call via online because sometimes I don't feel comfortable.
Kinda awkward ya, Kak.
Yes, like on the previously session.
Sorry, Kak Adeline. Could you please repeat the previously part?
Oh, previously session for the
Hmm.
introvert and extrovert session that I
Oh,
am an introvert people, so I don't comfortable to hang out with my friend that I am not that close.
okay, okay. Yeah, got it. Me too, actually. Just because I'm an introvert, but I still feel the same as you. If we are not close enough, so I rather to meet just online, though. I feel you, Kak Adeline. Thank you so much for the opinions. Maybe you can share your discount voucher to Kak Dinda if you are not using it.
I
Poor.
just got it from the app. I don't really input anything, but it's kind of really huge. I don't know.
Yeah. Poor of you, Kak Dinda. I'm sorry. Okay. Thank you. Let's hear from Kak Mahar then.
Okay. For ordering food, of course, like Adele, I also prefer online because I have so many discounts, especially Gojek. I don't know why, but the discount is like 50% sometimes. So it just that's why I choose it. And then for learning a new skill, I prefer offline because yeah the feel is different. And then for meeting my friend, I also prefer offline because I don't know. I mean, if I don't see face to face or I can't touch, it's not hit the spot. So I really need to see, like, I want to see what they talk, like the mimic, and then like, when we just um, VN voice note or call without video call, we just use voice, right? And then the expression we don't see it. I want to see it. I want to see how they talk with the expression. Gitulah. Thank you.
Kak Mahar, why you are so lucky to have those 50% discount? I want it if you don't use it, Kak. You can share with me.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe because I'm anak soleha.
Yeah. So your love language must be physical touch then, Kak Mahar. Is it correct?
Not really. Not really.
Oh, but you said that you like to touch.
yeah, like when we talk, yeah, we touch, like yeah, it hits the different spot, but not touchy like
Not touchy, touchy.
no.
Okay, got it, got it, got it.
It's
I know that
not
kind of touch that you mean, Kak. Please don't elaborate it. I'm afraid there is some of us who is underage. Okay, thank you Kak Mahar for the hilarious answer once again. Then the last one is Kak Johanna. Let's hear from you.
Okay, so I think for the ordering food, it depends on uh, the voucher or the discount. If my account there's a discount or voucher, I think I will ordering food via online. Maybe because the various of food that I never tried before, but it's quite a distance with my home. I think I will try. Uh, and then for the learning new skill, I think I prefer offline because I easily understand if I learn via offline instead of online, especially maybe for the hard topic like maybe design or something, or maybe a language. It outside the English. I mean maybe for the Mandarin because it's quite hard if uh, if only we learning from online. And then for the meeting friends, obviously I will choose offline because the when we talk via online or offline, it's quite different if we meet our friends.
Okay, wow, you are right now learning Mandarin, Kak.
I don't know. I mean, like it's only example for the learning new skill.
Oh, okay. So you have a planning to do so.
No, no, no.
Oh, okay. Okay, then got it. But what if your friend is not really close enough with you? You still prefer to meet offline, Kak Johanna?
Yeah, I'm open to meet anyone.
Oh, really? I want to meet you if you are near here. Okay, thank you so much then Kak Johanna. Guys, the time is up. I still have a lot of topics that we can discuss, guys. Here is the digital minimalism. I really want to know your answer for this one, but unfortunately, the time is already up, so we need to take the documentation first. Then I have an important information for you guys for about the last meeting on the next week on Wednesday, yeah, guys. First, let's take a picture first. Then, okay, are you ready, guys? Let's pose, yeah, guys. Wow. First photo, here it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay, second one. 1, 2, 3. The last one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Wow. So, what I have the information that I want to share with you for our last meeting on the Wednesday next week. Each of you have to prepare a PPT or just a picture. It depends on you, whatever you want to make. So it's you have to present it. Each of you have to present. The maximum times is 5 minutes. The about the what is it, the content of the content of the presentation is the topic that we already discussed. Yeah, you can choose from the first topic to the seventh topic, which is on next Monday. You can choose between those 7 topics. Then the topics must include 5W and 1H question, which is what, who, where, when, how. That's it. Yeah, you actually the rule from Kak Abil is you only can make one slide, but if you have to make it more than one slide, you can, ya guys. For the detailed information, I will share it on the WhatsApp group later, ya guys. Okay, got it, guys? Are you ready to present yourself next Wednesday next week? Do you have any question, guys, for this meeting or the next meeting? All clear, ya? Okay, then so let's say goodbye. I don't know what to say. Okay, thank you so much for joining the meeting tonight, guys. I love you. Sarangeo. Thank you. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Kak.
Thank you, Kak Yohana, Kak Dinda.
Nah.
Thank you to Kak Adeline.